I want to move these two controllers, and then I want the eye to be closed at that point. So it's going to take a fair bit of fine tweaking and the skinning of the eyelids there. But I'm going to hide these lashes for now. I'm going to hide these as well. Okay, so let's have a look at this. So if we go to edit mode. Okay. And by the way, I should probably, if we go to Skin Weight Tools, I've just basically gone through, I put it in bow mode, and I press Alt. I've just gone through all these different bones, and I've just smoothed them out a little bit. And just gone through and smoothed them one by one here through to get a bit of smoother transition between those. So I did that as the first step, and then go to edit mode. Now I'm going to start adjusting these with the vertex skinning. So the lower lid is quite nice. Okay, just want to make sure I can still adjust the shape. So at this point I want my eyes to be closed. So let's get a nicer line. So when these close, up until that point, let's take those three. Let's then look at, I want those to be up a little bit. So let's look at all the top ones. So top, top, top. And I am going to minus that a little bit. Okay, so that's a little bit minus. Look at these. They're definitely too much. So select all the top ones again. And I'm selecting all of them because it's going to take just that value of all of them a little bit. So it's going to reduce all of those a little bit at the same time. Now let's do this. Okay, that's good. And this one, all the top ones again. I'm just going to reduce them a little bit. Okay. So minus them a little bit. Probably minus a little more. Worry about that line and I've got this line. So this line, this purple line is the one I want a nice shape on. So plus this a little bit. Okay. This one we want to plus the top ones. Top eyelid ones. And you can start seeing, okay, yeah, it's doing nicely there. Okay, so now we got the eye nice and closed in that position. I'm going to select this ring and I'm going to normalize it. Normalize a few times. So press this normalize a couple of times. Okay, and okay, now we got a nice closing eye there. Fantastic.